Space, the final frontier. This is the 2.5-year journey of the build of the Starship Enterprise. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 94 of Building the Enterprise-D. I've already done the escape pods on there because you've seen me do it countless times, no doubt. I do need to tighten that up a little bit. That's still a little bit wobbly. Thought I got that, but I hadn't. That's better. There we go. All good. So that's that ready to be fitted to the saucer section. But before we do that, we've got to do what we did before and loosely fit the windows so we can fit them properly next time. So that's going to go on there like so. Just the windows this time. There's no escape pod to fit on this side yet. Obviously spreading those out. You don't want to get them all in one. So there we go. That's the windows on there. I shall put this aside for later. Looking at this, I know there's obviously going to be panels going on there. I did find the missing bit, if you remember from the saucer section. I had one of the phaser arrays, but I did find it. It is back attached again. I'll show you if I remember when I bring that back up. Which is going to be about now, actually, because we're going to fit this onto that and fit the little navigation light thing as well. So let's get everything arranged. Yeah, there we go. Look, I'll show you now before I step in. Look, see, there it is down there, and the one on the other side, and the ones at the front. So we're all up and running. We're good with that now. So this is going to fit in there, just like that, with the 2 screws as before. But is it before or after? Let me double check. We've got the little navigation light to fit in as well, which we do afterwards. So that's easy. So we need to change out a screw, actually, before we do anything. Not entirely certain why, but it does say in the instructions there that you can probably see on screen at the moment, if my editing future self knows what he's doing. It's the one from the corner down here. Well, there, rather. You need to remove that one and fit. Not that. The FM is what we're going to be using to hold this in place. We need 2 of them. Let's get a couple of those out while I've got this to hand. There we go. Open that packet. Get 2 of those out. 1 and 2. Those for side, putting away in the spares pack in a moment. We've got the JM screw that we're going to be using instead of the one that's in there at the moment. I can't remember what it said the one that's in there at the moment is. It's that one there. I'll move this so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. It's the one in that corner there. Not entirely certain. Don't remember having to do this on the other side, but that's no guarantees that I didn't, because, you know, I might have just forgotten. So that's coming out, and that one is going in. Basically, it's a little bit shorter, but that shouldn't make any difference because the head wasn't protruding. Don't know. But if they tell me to, I shall do it. I'm nothing but obedient. Might need a smaller screwdriver for that, though. That's not playing ball as friendly as it should. Here's my screwdriver that I want. I want the one with the slightly smaller tip. That one would be lovely. Yeah, that fits in there much nicer. And that goes in there. It still holds the frame together, but will be a little bit smaller. Don't know why. Don't know. I'll find out what that is and put it in the packet alongside it. The other screws I need are just there, and that's the thing, and that's the thing. Right. So where did I put the panel? There it is. See if that will go in there as easily as the other ones have. Oh, that felt very nice. That felt like that, felt like that belongs. See, does that mean that things line up? It does. It does indeed. So that one there. That one in there, soon to be covered by another escape pod cover. But before I put the cover on, I'll make sure I don't have to wobble things around to line up this navigation light, which has got to go in there, and the bulb goes into the end of it. So that's going to be tricky to do and see and show you. Let's try it that way around. So yeah, the bulb's going to go into the end of it. Our tweezers might be helpful there. So a bit, it actually only illuminates the top and bottom. The outside is flat. So yeah, I'm going to have to do this off camera, a little bit finagling. But it's just like the one on the other side that you probably didn't see me do either. That's going in there. The bulb will then go into it, and that will be that. And that's another issue done, because I'll pop the escape pod cover on once I know I don't have to loosen it off, which I think I do. So that's it, and that's another issue, another delivery done as well. So thanks for watching. It's getting there. It's slowly building up. So another issue is going to do that, and then that, and then it's getting there. A few more months, and we'll be almost completed. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.